With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, today's question: enzyme which become more active in aged person is, what will be answer? So answer will be malate dehydrogenase. Malate dehydrogenase. Why? Because when aging is progressing in the human body, then different types of oxidizing enzymes activity increases because of decreased rate of metabolism. Because of decreased rate of metabolism. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.